Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains 10 robotic pool vacuum that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
Number 10. The Vitool Orca Cordless Robotic Pool. Vacuum cleaner is a sleek and efficient solution for keeping your pool clean and pristine. With its stylish gray color and compact design measuring 13 inches in length, 12 inches in width, and 7 inches in height, this product combines aesthetics with functionality. Powered by a DC power source, the Vitool Orca offers powerful cleaning performance without the hassle of cords or cables. Its cordless design allows for seamless operation and easy maneuverability around the pool, making maintenance tasks more convenient and time-efficient. The Vitool Orca, manufactured by the reputable brand Vitool, is equipped with cutting-edge technology to ensure thorough cleaning results. Whether it's removing dirt, debris, or leaves, this robotic pool vacuum cleaner delivers impressive suction power to keep your pool water crystal clear. Overall, the Vitool Orca cordless robotic pool vacuum cleaner is a reliable and user-friendly product that meets.
Number 9. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a high-quality pool maintenance device designed for efficiency and convenience. With its advanced features, this product is ideal for keeping pools up to 33 feet clean and ready for use. One of the standout features of the Dolphin Nautilus CC is its wall-climbing scrubber brush, which ensures a thorough cleaning of the pool walls, eliminating the need for manual scrubbing. The brush is designed to tackle tough stains and algae, leaving the pool surface sparkling clean. Built with durable plastic material in a sleek blue and black color combination, the Dolphin Nautilus CC is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Its compact dimensions of 16.38 L into 16.77 W into 8.97 H make it easy to maneuver and store when not in use. Overall, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable and efficient solution for pool maintenance. Its advanced cleaning capabilities, sturdy construction, and user-friendly design.
Number 8. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a top-tier solution for maintaining clean and sparkling pools up to 50 feet in length. With its innovative wall-climbing scrubber brush feature, this product sets itself apart from traditional pool cleaners. The sleek black design of the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus adds a touch of sophistication to any pool setup. At a compact size of 20 L into 20 W into 20 H, this robotic pool vacuum cleaner is easily maneuverable for effective cleaning. Powered by an AC source, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus operates efficiently to remove debris, dirt, and algae from your pool with precision and speed. Its advanced technology ensures thorough cleaning without the need for manual intervention, making pool maintenance hassle-free. For pool owners seeking a reliable, high-performance pool vacuum cleaner, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is a standout choice. Its robust features, exceptional cleaning capabilities, and user-friendly design make it a valuable.
Number 7. I had the opportunity to test out the GRX Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, the GX UFO Blue model, and I must say, it impressed me with its performance. The sleek blue design of this autonomous pool vacuum adds a touch of style to your pool area. With dimensions of 13.5 inches in length, 13.5 inches in width, and 8.46 inches in height, the GRX Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is compact yet powerful. It operates on both AC and DC power sources, providing flexibility in its usage. One of the standout features of this pool vacuum is its autonomous functionality. Once you set it up and turn it on, it navigates your pool efficiently, cleaning the floor and walls with ease. The cleaning performance is commendable, leaving your pool sparkling clean in no time. I appreciate the user-friendly design of the GRX Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. It is easy to operate and the maintenance is hassle-free. The quality of the materials used in its construction ensures durability and longevity.
Number 6. The WORX Osprey 700 Pool Vacuum is a top-tier solution for maintaining the cleanliness of in-ground pools up to 60 feet in length. Boasting a cordless design and equipped with robotic cleaning technology, this device brings convenience and efficiency to pool maintenance routines. The sleek black color and modern design of the WORX Osprey 700 Pool Vacuum enhance the aesthetic appeal of any pool area. With dimensions of 16 L into 11 W into 18 H, This compact device can maneuver through water with ease, reaching even the most challenging spots for a thorough cleaning experience. Powered by an AC power source, the WORX Osprey 700 ensures consistent performance and reliable operation. Its advanced features make pool cleaning a breeze, allowing users to sit back and relax while the robotic cleaner takes care of the hard work. In conclusion, the WORX Osprey 700 pool vacuum is a must-have for pool owners looking to maintain pristine water conditions.
Number 5. The AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, also known as the Seagull SE, is a new and innovative addition to the pool cleaning market. Made from durable new 2023 material and featuring a sleek gray color, this robotic cleaner stands out not only for its design but also for its performance. Measuring at 24.8 inches in length, 18.9 inches in width, and 14.96 inches in height, the AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is compact yet mighty. Its size allows it to navigate through pool surfaces with ease, ensuring a thorough cleaning performance. One of the standout features of this product is its cordless design, which adds convenience and flexibility to the pool cleaning process. Users no longer have to deal with tangled cords or limited reach, making maintenance a breeze. Equipped with advanced technology, the AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner boasts efficient cleaning capabilities that leave pools sparkling clean. Its intelligent navigation system allows it to maneuver around obstacles.
Number 4. The Co-Steering Pool. Vacuum Robot by Co-Steering offers an efficient and convenient solution for keeping your pool clean. With product dimensions of 13 into 13 into 8.6 inches and an item weight of 10.36 pounds, this robotic cleaner is designed to navigate your pool effectively. Manufactured by Co-Steering, this vacuum robot comes with the ASIN B0 CQP1 HERT and item model number planet. It runs on one lithium-ion battery required, which is included with the product. The customer reviews for this product reflect its quality with an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars based on 28 ratings. Ranked as #10, 330 in patio lawn and garden, and #28 in robotic pool cleaners. The Co-Steering Pool Vacuum Robot combines performance and durability to ensure a clean pool with minimal effort on your part. Its user-friendly design and reliable operation make it a top choice for pool owners looking to simplify their maintenance routine.
The 2024 new Vitool Orca cordless robotic pool vacuum offers an innovative solution for maintaining a sparkling clean pool effortlessly. With a sleek design in black and gray, this product by Vitool, the new crab model, combines style with functionality. Number 3. Measuring at 20.1 inches in length, 18.1 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, this robotic pool vacuum is compact yet powerful. Its AC/DC power source ensures reliable performance, allowing you to efficiently clean your pool without the hassle of cords. The Vitool Orca cordless robotic pool vacuum stands out for its ease of use and effectiveness in keeping your pool free from debris and dirt. The cordless design provides freedom of movement, enabling the robot to navigate the pool effortlessly. Whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool, this vacuum is versatile and can adapt to different pool surfaces. Its advanced cleaning technology ensures thorough coverage, leaving your pool spotless and ready for a refreshing.
Number 2. The Winnie Pool Cleaner. Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, model WI1102BG, is a cutting-edge solution for maintaining a sparkling clean pool effortlessly. Crafted from durable plastic in an elegant black-green color scheme, this pool cleaning device is both functional and visually appealing. Powered by an AC source, the Winnie Pool Cleaner utilizes advanced technology to efficiently clean pools of various sizes and shapes. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement without the hassle of tangled cords, providing a seamless cleaning experience. Equipped with intelligent navigation systems, this robotic pool cleaner navigates obstacles with ease, ensuring thorough cleaning coverage each time it operates. The user-friendly interface allows for hassle-free operation, making pool maintenance a breeze for users of all.
Number 1. AIPER's 2024 new Scuba S1 cordless robotic pool cleaner in gray presents an innovative solution for pool maintenance. The product, with dimensions of 15.3 L into 8.7 W into 17.5 H, is a testament to AIPER's commitment to quality and efficiency. The cordless design enhances convenience, allowing users to clean their pools without the hassle of cables. The gray color of the product adds a sleek touch to its aesthetics, blending well with various pool designs. AIPER's Scuba S1 integrates advanced technology to deliver effective cleaning performance. The AC power source ensures reliable operation, and the compact design enables easy maneuverability in the pool. Overall, the 2024 new AIPER Scuba S1 cordless robotic pool cleaner is a commendable addition to any pool owner's maintenance toolkit. Its combination of functionality, design, and performance makes it a strong contender in the market, offering a hassle-free solution for keeping pools clean and inviting.